Hello students, we in last video we started with bills of exchange format, and in that we saw the first two entries, that is first two transactions. Transactions start with credit sales or credit purchase, means when drawer sold goods to drawee and drawee purchased goods from drawer, what the entries will be there: drawee's account debit to sales account, and in the books of drawee, purchase account debit to drawer's account. After that, next transaction takes place between drawer and drawee is that of bill drawn and accepted. Means drawer prepares the bills on drawee accepts the bill and returns it to drawer. For this, entry is bills receivable account debit to drawee's account in the books of drawer, and in the books of drawee, drawer's account debit to bills payable account. Now, after receiving the bills of exchange, it becomes the property of the drawer. Drawer can use that particular document till the expiry date by using any of the four options: retaining the bill, discounting the bill, endorsing the bill, or bill sent to bank for collection. Then whenever he uses any one of the option from these, what entry will be there in the books of drawer? First we discuss about drawer only. We keep drawee's part aside. Now, first option, retaining the bill. If drawer decides that I want to keep bill with myself only, I am not using any other option, at that time, what entry will be there in the books of drawer? Nothing. Why? Because he is just keeping the bill with himself. So for that particular thing, there is no separate entry. And this option is not giving in the problem separately, that drawer is keeping bill with himself. We have to understood, when nothing is mentioned about rediscounting, endorsing, send the bill to bank for, no one option is there in the books of in the problem, then we have to assume that when no other option is there, which option is there? Retaining the bill. Then second option, discounting the bill. If you know or if you remember the meaning of these options, then only you can understand the journal entries. So that's why before going through or by hearting these entries, first you must know the meanings of these options. If you know the meanings at that time, no need to by heart the entries. Next is discounting the bill. In meaning only entry is there. Discounting means what? Drawer hand over the bills of exchange to bank and get the amount of the bill from the bank. Bank is not giving full amount, bank deducts some amount as discount. And that's why if you remember this meaning, here only you can understand the journal entry. Drawer is getting money from the bank. We are drawer. We are receiving money either in the form of cash or that money may become in our bank account. So which accounts are there? Cash account and bank account. Cash is which type of account? Real. Bank is personal. As per real account rule, we are getting cash. Debit what comes in. Cash is coming into the business. That's why cash account is debited if drawer is getting cash. If that amount is coming into in our bank account, then bank account is debited, because personal account says that debit the receiver. Understood? So cash or bank account debit. Then discount. Discount is which type of account? It is not personal, it is not real. It is nominal account. And what is the rule of nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses. Why we are debiting discount account? Because drawer is getting less amount of that bill. Means, for example, if the bill is of rupees 10,000 and bank says that we are charging 5% discount, 10,000 5% means 500. So how much amount drawer will get? 9,500 only after deducting discount. So here discount is what? Expense for the drawer. Why it is expense? Because he is getting less amount of the bill. By following this rule, we debit discount account. Then two bills receivable account. Bill is going out from the business. That's why bills receivable account is credited. Understood? So in case of discounting the bill, entry in the books of drawer is cash or bank account debit, discount account debit, to bills receivable account. Is it clear? Then next option, if drawer thinks that I have to follow endorsing the bill. What is the meaning of endorsing? Endorsement means transfer the bill to third party. What is that third party? The person who is transferring the bill is known as endorser. Drawer is endorser. And the person to whom the bill is transferred is known as endorsee. That's why the person who is getting the bill is known as endorsee. He is getting the bill. He is person. Maybe human being or maybe artificial person. So endorsee's account debit the receiver to bills receivable account. Again bill is going out from the business. Is it clear? Then bills sent to bank for collection. What is the meaning of this? Here drawer is depositing the bill with bank for collection purpose. Means drawer is handing over the bill to bank for collecting the amount. So we open here separate account, bill sent to bank for collection account debit. Means bank account is there, but bank is acting as an collection agent. That's why that bank's for collection account debit to, again bill is going out. That's why bills receivable account is credited. If you analyze these entries or go through these three entries, you can find out one similarity there. Is it any type of any one point similarity is there in the entries? Yes, we are crediting in all the three entries bills receivable account. Credit part is same. Means whenever drawer follows any option, bill is going out from the business. That's why means going out. That's why bills receivable account is credited. And the person who is getting the bill, his account is debited. In case of endorsement, endorsee's account debit, and in case of bank for collection, bank is getting for collecting. Here drawer is remaining the owner, but drawer hand over the bill to bank for collection. In case of discounting, the separate entry is there. But this option comes so many times in the problems. That's why no need to by heart this entry. You can automatically get that entry automatically get by hearted. Is this clear? Now see drawing. In case of drawing, there is no entry. In all the columns, you are seeing here that I wrote here no entry. It means what? Drawee is not at all concerned with all these four options. Why? Because who is using this option? Drawer. And drawee's role is only that he has to purchase goods, he has to accept the bill, and he has to make the payment of the bill, or he will refuse to make the payment of the bill. So after accepting the bill till payment, drawee is not at all concerned with what is happening with that bill of exchange. That's why he's very happy and he is singing a song that there is no entry. Okay, this is joke part, but okay, by heart, no need to by heart the entries. You just understand the entries logically. Then at that time, I think that no need to by heart the entries. You can easily remember the entries. So here we complete with options used by drawer. Now in next video we will move further. Thank you.